Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find the MAC address of your laptop. For Windows users, start by opening the command prompt. You can easily find it by typing cmd into your search bar. Once open, type ipconfig/all and press enter. Scroll through the output until you locate your active network adapter. The MAC address will be listed as the physical address. It's a unique identifier for your device. This simple command reveals the information you need quickly. If you're on a macOS device, the process is just as straightforward. Begin by opening System Settings, then navigate to the Network section. Select your currently active network connection, whether it's Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Next, click on the Details button. Within the Details window, you'll find the MAC address clearly displayed. It's usually labeled as Hardware Address or MAC address itself, making it easy to spot. For those using a Linux operating system, finding your MAC address involves a quick terminal command. Open your terminal application, which is typically found in your Applications menu. Once the terminal is open, type either IP or ifconfig and then press Enter. Look for your network interface, often named ETH0 or WLAN0. The MAC address will be listed next to Ether or hwater in the output. It's a series of 12 hexadecimal digits. Understanding your MAC address is quite useful for several reasons. It acts as a unique identifier for your laptop on any network, helping routers and other devices recognize it. This can be crucial for network troubleshooting, setting up network security filters, or even for specific software licensing. Knowing this address gives you more control and insight into your device's network presence. Also, for more great insights, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.